The real. No, it's just. John. It doesn't. Oh, sorry. I thought it did.
Doesn't what?
Maybe it doesn't have pictures of her. I saw his comment today. Damn, John. Well, let me tell you, dude. If you come to Japan after a fresh breakup, it is
fun.
It'll be an interesting trip for you. I'm really excited for you to explore the culture and try some good ramen and maybe take a trip to Kyoto, see some more of the historical side of Japan. I think you're gonna clear your head a little bit on.
I think that could be good actually. Just like a couple days out.
Yeah, take a little Hakone, you know.
I wasn't lying.
What?
School kids like doing homework behind us.
Oh.
Soup plan. No, you don't need soup.
Nicholas can give you some tips. I guess it worked for.
You know he got pegged?
Wait, hold on, wait. So, first of all, I think it worked for Paulo. He got pegged. You mean like the thing about the girlfriend that wanted to put use a strap on him?
Yeah. So
No.
him and his girlfriend, they hired like some BDSM girl or whatever.
This has got to be a lie.
I was like, no way. This has to be a joke.
My hair's in there.
Ew.
Yeah, it's nasty, but okay.
Now your hands are in there.
I know. My hands are probably worse. You're right.
Oh my god.
I just wash my hands, so that's a good thing. If you guys don't know who Nicholas is, his name's Swedish Nicholas, and an old school pillar of the community, as you say. So wait, is this on his Discord?
Yeah.
Because he has the. I know he has
the link Discord.
So what happened?
So him and his. I don't know if this was like his idea or of her idea, but
sorry.
maybe at least wait until
Sorry,
it's gone.
I am hot for this. So.
Go ahead.
What do you got with us?
What did you expect it to smell like?
I just didn't know if it was dressing on there, so I smelled it. But now I can see the dressing. It has like a tiny bit.
Yeah. But yeah, that is one very good person salad.
Yeah, this is like. It looks like it belongs on a burger. Okay, so say it again.
So him and I don't know if it was his idea or his girlfriend's idea, but they ended up hiring like a BDSM mistress and then had like a three-way thing. But rather than doing the three-way, he got done.
By his girlfriend or by the mistress?
By the mistress, I'm assuming.
Did he like?
I just heard, just saw it real quickly in the summary. I was like, okay, I don't want to.
Is this true? Is anyone in that Discord?
I mean, I can show you the TLDR. It's woohoo. Just the idea of it just.
Nicholas is such an open man.
Shakes me to my core.
Nicholas.
Okay, well at least the school kids are done.
Wish list destroyer. I didn't make the wish list yet. I'm thinking about what to put on there. I'm thinking about long and hard. And you're not going to be able to destroy it.
Wish list for what?
His name is Wish List Destroyer. He just destroys girl streamers' wish lists on Amazon. And he said he wants to make.
He just buys everything for them?
So he said he wants me to make a wish list, which I never have made one, so he can destroy it, and I will.
Okay, if you put 3 things on there, what would it be?
I didn't think about it. They're going to be super expensive and things I would never buy. We're going to put his name to the test.
Can you got timed out in Twitch chat?
Oh, it's just spammed. Thank you for the above and beyond little donation. They're very generous wish list, and I'm doing very well. Doing all right. Okay, so the thing about Nicholas, like, I don't know, is he being like exaggerating at all, or is he? He just straight up tells what happened.
Yeah. I don't think he has enough shame to like lie about that kind of stuff, or he just doesn't care.
What happened to old? What's her name? Cowardy Nicholas. What happened to that Nicholas? Old school.
Ages ago, we cleaned that out of his system because he was giving her like all of his money.
That's no good. Put classic on your wish list. Okay. So he had a strap-on in his butt.
Yeah. I can never look at him the same way again.
Was it like the tip, or did that go in like 6 inches?
I'm assuming it, because those things aren't small.
Yeah, but it feels like
Japan size or American size? That's what you're wondering.
That's one thing, and then like, was it like tip play, like just on the outside, or was it like full on, just like
deep penetration?
Yeah. I don't think I would separate those two things, but at this point, you kind of have to. Like, was the girl teasing his butthole, or was she just full on digging it?
I I'm assuming this was his first experience, so I think he probably didn't go all the way in, but I don't know.
God, probably down the anal fissure or something. Okay. Well, I'm glad no Nicholas is very active now and not using the knee technique anymore.
How far he's come. Giving thousands of dollars to Curry to getting pegged by girls.
Thanks to our wonderful dating and life coaches on Discord.
Yeah. Come to Japan and you too can get pegged.
Jonathan's on his way. That's me, baby. That looks good.
That does look good.
This is
Why is it split into two? So is it two different things?
Yeah, this is like the normal beef curry, and I think this might be the one that goes inside the curry pan.
Ah, okay.
Maybe. Chat, you guys want to take a look?
A support egg.
Yeah, it sold it to me. How's the unemployed life?
So good.
Anything cool happen?
What's up? I went to EDC with Cheery.
Oh yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
Justin.
Yeah.
You guys right. Thank you. She's so cheery. I mean, cheery. How'd you meet Cheery? Let's hear where did it start? Was it like a Fed connection type of thing?
Probably, I think so. I can't remember. It was a while ago.
Saw her on Twitter, Fed liked her picture, you followed her, DM'd her.
No, I think she followed me first.
Hell yeah.
I think. You want this? Yeah. I hate Lotus Root.
I can put in here. Oh, yeah. I was just curious. Was she here with that, she was here with like a cosplaying girl, right? Or like, was she not with her? It was a cosplaying girl.
Yeah. Rebecca. They're still here.
I met her at TwitchCon EU, the cosplay girl.
Really?
Yeah, we had dinner together at Streamlabs Center.
She's still here, so her and Jocelyn are here together. I think they're here until Friday.
They're coming back, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I can see him before he leaves. I'm gonna grab a spoon. And for anyone in the chat saying, wow, eating in Japan with a spoon, you traditionally eat curry with a spoon. People think you're supposed to use chopsticks.
You can't use chopsticks
to eat
this.
That's the point.
Yeah. I mean, they don't even have chopsticks here, so that option is not
They don't have chopsticks.
Dodakamas.
Like Mongol. That's what this is about. Is this guy British Japanese or a Navajo wannabe?
Who?
Is this guy British Japanese Navajo wannabe or what?
Oh, I'm back.
I thought they were talking about you and I didn't get it.
You fucking idiot.
I'm gonna get beat up, dude.
He's gonna destroy your butt. He's reading Twitch chat right now?
No.
No, it's not.
I didn't even know that was in frame. Were they flicking under my armpit or something?
Yeah, but can that see that?
Yeah, it could probably see here.
No, because I thought your body would be blocking.
That's what I thought too. I wasn't even thinking about that.
Okay. Too late now.
Way over my. It's not over my head. I was just thinking about
Wait, where does the British Japanese bit come from? Because the British Japanese bit, like, then I'll be like, okay, I get it.
That's what I was like. Someone's
but then now I was like, you can see in front of your right shoulder. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know what side he was on. Whoops. You can see Cherokee.
Nice.
I know. How was EDC, by the way?
So good.
Yeah?
I only went for one day, but...
Did you ever go to Ultra?
No.
I wondered how it compared. It was in was it Makati Messi?
No.
No?
This one was in Zozo Marine Stadium, so it was like, they have the stadium and then they have the park, the beach. Stadium.
Oh, okay.
It was really cool.
I think last year's EDC was when it was raining, so it was like really shitty.
This year was great.
Okay.
Super sunny, nice weather.
Yeah, I was supposed to go to that with that Albert guy, with Lauren Ty's friend.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He was actually gonna put me on the influencer VIP
This?
media, like backstage everything.
Yeah.
Over in China, unfortunately. Next time, Benny Eggers. Chair, thanks for the 14 months. Snake Stream PogChamp. Okay. Next time. So, do you guys do anything else? Like any cool? Like have any fun like nights at the club or anything?
Yeah, we kicked on straight after. Went to one. What's it called? Ellie? L?
L. That's the first club I went to. It used to be good.
I hate it.
It used to be like the premier club in Japan. Now it's good. It's just not good.
Now it's like C tier.
The music always sucks. Fucking Feely Films. Feely Films filling in for Jay Feely has you know who that is on Discord? Jay Feely.
I know Jay Feely on Discord. Yeah.
That's Feely Films. He's always the guy who fills in for Volk. Like when Volk's not around, he'd try to say
Can
the
you
same
just
shit.
unban Volk?
If he asks for it, he can get him in.
He's not gonna ask for it.
Then he'll never get him in. I'm okay with that. Volk can suck it, dude.
Can he proxy ask through me?
Nope.
I'll ask him
He has to act. He has to ask. I actually didn't know.
Fuck it, both of you.
No, I actually didn't know that Volk was that prideful. I thought Volk was just like an internet idiot, but like he actually cares about that.
Of course.
Huh. I mean, he has no face. He shouldn't really care.
Because remember, he was talking about like in terms of top 3 people from Discord that people want to see here. He was one of them, and they were like, "Oh yeah, if Jake pays for your flight, would you go?" He's like, "No."
I told Volk I'll pay for his flight.
Huh.
I told him that like months ago. Because he couldn't be himself if he came here, you know? He'd be like rich. He'd be outed.
Yeah. Chat, Jake's not gonna do it.
If you guys don't know about who we're talking about, it's some lore. You gotta be on Discord, you know. But George has like totally 180. I don't know what's up with that guy.
Didn't he used to be toxic?
Super toxic.
Yeah.
Like inward spamming toxic, yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. But now I feel like he's like playing a long term game, but like one day he's like saving up all of his ammo.
Just hit you with it all at once.
This literally just fat and skin.
What are you spitting out?
It's just like I don't know what that one is. This is like it's like some part. It's like that was some fat. I think
That's the best part.
it was only fat in my mouth. I don't like to eat fat by itself.
No.
Look at this.
How's it feel, by the way? This is pretty good.
Sorry for that. Alright, there you go. Oh, that's good. What was that dinner place you guys went to on Friday?
Hacienda in Daikanyama. It's like this
Oh, I've been
place.
there. Okay, yeah. Cool.
Did you ever go out on the terrace? It's really nice.
Yeah, I didn't eat out there, but I've been out there like, just for a drink, I think.
Yeah.
JPNW for 5 months. That place sucked ass. Really creamy? You didn't like it?
She didn't like it because she had to pay for you.
Oh, you guys paid
Because the reservation was for 8 people.
Oh, that's back. I'll pay you back creamy. Dustin, Jake, I saw Pops today at Superstation. He misses you. Oh, hell yeah. Epic winner, you missed it. We had Bella on stream 2 days ago. I was just thinking about you.
Matt, when are you coming back?
Oh, you guys are bad? Oh. She said it's because you guys are being bad.
Who's being bad?
I don't know, at the restaurant. So they made you guys pay for more people than were actually there.
Oh.
Maybe they weren't giving you guys good service. Been to Busan? Yes, we've been to Busan. That tier 3 emote. Puke. Alright, epic winner.
Oh, stop playing auto chess. Just play normal Dota.
Who?
You keep playing auto chess. I see you on.
But it's because I'll be like, okay, I have 20 minutes to spare. I'll play one game.
And then I see you on there for like 3 hours.
Okay, well, I just leave it open. I don't have time for Dota. Honestly, as soon as I get that WoW, I mean, you probably won't even see me stream again. Outside.
You're not. Oh yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna stream WoW, right?
Yeah, I'll make it so it's like a bonus. Like every time we stream, I'll like go home and it'll be like a 2-time stream. So basically just double up. Because I'll be playing WoW regardless. Might as well stream it. Got to make a name for the IRL streamers in WoW.
As long as it ain't GTA RP.
I like GTA RP. I would still play that, to be honest.
It's dead now though. Thank God.
No way. They're so popular.
Really?
Yeah. Like Moon Moon Summit's still on it.
Yeah.
Not every day like they were, but the other RPers are always on it. Vader. Yeah. They always do well. Golf with Friends.
That's been a while.
Creamy, shut up. Golf with Friends. That's just random in Discord. Yeah, change it. They all get above like 10k still. Dota. Yeah. I like Dota, but lost a lot of the mechanical skills I had.
Should I just try and brush up before TI?
Yeah, I should play a few before TI, yeah.
Wait, have you even seen Re-Hero?
Mars?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ginger is kind of weird. Moon's quitting soon? Really? For what? WoW? No problem. Thanks for the Twitch Prime. My search is $600, but said, hard to catch a stream since I'm in Cali, but love the content, my dude. See you in the pods. Good night. Good night, Citrus.
Kind of cool Apple. I saw that he subbed earlier. Despite being banned.
Yeah, well, Apple is like, he's a good man. If he sniped me with a Zima, I'd remove a strike. Yeah. Some people get that, some people don't. It's case by case. I know he's a good guy.
Come back, Apple.
Oh, Francine just talked about it.
What?
He talked about it like right before we talked about it.
Yeah.
The same wavelength. Just fly to Japan. Apple just spends money on like girls and like boat rides with girls that just use.
He doesn't even need to. They go to him.
Yeah. Well, whatever. Once he's, Statics, you're freaking me out.
Whoa, that's a weird message.
I don't know what that even. I thought, yeah, whatever.
How does chat look so slow here, but then when I'm like at home, it's like so fast?
The way it scrolls here is usually like blocked, so
yeah, like that.
Yeah, like go up, so it doesn't have that same flow effect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe also because you can only see like 6 people chatting at the time. What's up, Big Assy? This is kind of weird. I think he's a male model at a host bar or something.
Long-term plans. God, I still think there's money in that to be made. Like a Gaijin host bar.
Retro Guy Gene is one of them. Like, you have to have the different types. Ramon could be one of them, dude.
Yeah.
He has definitely has the charisma for it. Resting stream. Kind of. This is gonna be a just sitting, guys. It's like raining and shit outside.
Yeah.
Right. We can go to take a walk down the shopping street and just poke our heads in and see if we find anything cool.
Sure. Actually, I want to get your opinion on a jacket. You swing by that later.
You want my opinion on a jacket for you? Wow. Alvin values my fashion, guys.
I'm split.
White tees don't lie. Jake's opinion, lol, says, okay, Grums. Motherfucker. Oh, the old hookah place? That was cool, but I don't do the hookah. I can't smoke anymore. It's just like...
The place I took you guys to?
I remember I took Anna there once. I took her to some hookah place over there. God, that was... So much weird shit's happening on this stream, dude.
Oh, I remember, that was her ZR day. Oh, damn, that was a good stream.
What was that?
She was wearing, thigh highs. I remember, on that day.
I forgot.
Oh, God.
I remember that she left and I went to Shibuya after by myself. She was married.
Is this his boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Feels
Who
good.
wants Chatsube? Not okay. Probably do.
Am I fast or are you slow?
I'm slow. I'm very slow. I want to be like this fat shit. I'm gonna need a curry pan to go. That might be too much.
Filled me up.
Yeah, that's a good amount. Yo, CRD 1970 months. Happy 17th, Dad. Hi, Uncle Calvin.
Oh.
The tairoki is the best thing.
Yep. And you see a damn lot of it here in Japan.
Yeah, Japan got it going on. Holy shit, it's frozen mikan. This guy gives like 5 subs a day. Or more. Thank you for that, dude. I appreciate it. Frozen mikan, arigato.
Isn't mikan like Mandarin?
Yeah, it's like orange.
Food, right? Yeah.
This just means like frozen. This seems to just chill. Keep them around. Have you seen any more IRL streamers out here? You've been keeping it on lock for me in Content Corner?
What?
Thank you. I like your hairstyle. Very nice.
Watch you see this.
Yeah. She's like so smiley. So happy and yeah. Give her a nice little compliment. Delora gifted Asphyxia. Well. We gifted General Warhound.
Awesome CD. Oh god. It's the fucking best.
It's a great emote.
It is the best.
Calvin Digger, friends, again after Calvin brought his friends back with sneakers. The thing about those sneakers is that every single city, every DS I went to in Asia, they're all in stock.
Is that why it was like they didn't have it here?
Yeah,
they just gave it to all the places in fucking Asia.
Hong Kong and Shanghai, Shanghai was like, what, 2 weeks later? They had them full stock.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah. But it didn't lower the value in my heart, Calvin. Don't worry.
No, because I remember seeing it on Instagram, they were like, it's supposed to be a JP exclusive. I was like, ah, sweet. Wait, what shoes are you wearing today?
Just, this is like my only waterproof shoes I have. They're
Gore-Tex
Vans.
Vans?
They're just Vans. Yeah. They're not Gore-Tex actually.
Yeah.
I saw Gore-Tex like a month after I bought these. I was pissed. They're just like weathered Vans. Yeah. MTE Mountain Edition. I hope you guys are ready for my WoW streams, chat.
Who else plays WoW? Wait,
On Discord?
the thing is, because you can't play with the US people, right? Because if you
Yeah, no, I'm gonna play US servers. It's not that
isn't
bad.
the ping going to be terrible?
It's okay. You don't need really. It's not like a FPS.
Okay. So it's like 130 ping to West Coast.
Yeah, it's not gonna. I mean, the only thing you need ping for in WoW is like casting and like seeing cast bars and like interrupting like a mage if he's casting against you. But even that is like, I mean,
Because are you going to be PvP or PvE?
I'll probably do both. Hopefully, I will. It's a little. Cosmic, if I get WoW tonight, you have to give me 50 subs. If I don't get WoW tonight, Cosmic, I'll give you $100.
Clip it.
How's Japan compared to China? Japan has a higher quality of life. I like it here. It's a lot cleaner. But China is also very awesome in its own ways. There's so much rich like culture and shit, which Japan is as well. But China feels a lot more free. Fuck you, baby.
Good maths. Whoa, what the Is that
There's
all?
probably pasta about WoW. I don't know what it is. Thanks, Dilly. You can pee anywhere in China. That's true. Communism goes free. Wait, what? That's funny you say that. It's like a really weird thing to think about, but actually China is the most free-feeling place I've ever lived. Except for the internet.
As in you can do pretty much whatever the fuck you want.
No rules. Just don't kill anybody or talk shit about the government and you're good to go.
Yeah.
That's such a weird thing, but it's true. People don't hassle you for stupid shit. Like, if I walk into the glasses store in China, they're not going to ask the manager if it's okay to stream. And the manager's not going to call his boss and, like, ask the
Verify.
head. Yeah. What's your social score? That system doesn't exist in China right now.
It will soon though.
I've heard about that, but no one in China knows about it. Ooh, MBA.
Thank you.
I think no one knows about it yet, so. Jake, I can't believe you're gonna play Classic. I didn't sub for this. I subbed for top tier IRL cringeworthy content. If I want to watch a grown man get sweaty balls at his computer, I'd go elsewhere. Very disappointing. Very. Well,
Good pasta.
what do they say? They say, so be it. It's like another word for so be it. It's like to hell with you. No, not to hell with you. It's like
To hell with it.
it's like a fun. No, it's like something to you. Fuck. It's like a saying. It means like so be it. It means like fuck. Yeah.
I have no idea what you're trying to get at.
Fuck.
Did you get dessert? No, you got
No,
salad.
is that a cold one or a hot one? Cold.
Cold.
Oh, good riddance. Thank you. Yeah, good riddance. Yeah, well, good riddance to you.
That's what you were trying to think of?
Yeah. You know why good riddance, dude? Because if you leave, there's going to be 10 more WoW viewers that discover my amazing gameplay, and they're like, wow. Fuck watching Soda Pop and Asmongold S fan. Look at this IRL streamer's great rogue play. It's probably not going to happen. They're actually like really knowledgeable and good, but you know what I mean.
I can see the caps coming already.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, if we're doing it WoW, there's always one thing you could do. Like the last time that you interacted with Blizzard.
No, shut up. I'm not talking about that anymore. We're getting cleared right now.
I wonder how many people in chat still remember.
I've told it a few times. I'm sure they remember. But it's old and we all grow and learn, right, boys?
So they do remember. Okay, good.
Vape Ultra Boost collab? When's that coming out? I haven't seen that.
No more.
You
You have enough Ultra Boost. No more. You got to expand your footwear game.
Do they have some? The last one they had.
That was ages ago.
The last one they had with the camo. I didn't like them. I had them in stock. I just didn't buy them.
It was a Babe, Adidas, and something else collab. It was like freeway.
There's a new undefeated one coming out. The white ones with the red and the blue.
Yeah. You gonna get
Okay.
it?
No, I'm not, I don't wear white shoes. It's hard. I didn't see it, Phoebe. Pixel, thanks for the 3 months. Water win. June 5th. How many pairs of boost do I have?
A lot. Not do you
Four?
have? How many have you had?
Maybe 6.
Yeah, that's a lot.
If you count the uncaged I had. I used to work out uncaged boosts. I haven't won a game with them. They're just sitting in the box.
Which ones did you get?
The fire ones.
No.
They're very particular. Like, I'm okay with just keeping them in the box. They're kind of cool. For now.
I gotta say, this season of Game of Thrones has been hella disappointing.
That's what I've heard. I'm about to find out.
Everything just feels so rushed.
The last episode was weird. It was like, yeah, last episode was like,
The fighting one?
yeah, it was like it was like the episode where I'm like, come on, like, I know what the
away.
reasoning could be, but I mean, come on,
Yeah.
come on, dude.
It's alright. You get to see them fall out this episode. It's like that Batman quote.
With great power comes great responsibility.
It's the either die a hero or see yourself, or live long enough to become the villain. You've seen Batman, right?
You're spoiling shit.
No.
Oh, you're talking about from the other side of
Yeah.
those other people that came in?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was weird. Attack on Titan? I watched the episode.
You know what we should watch? Mob Psycho. Fuck, that's so good. Mob Psycho.
Someone said Chernobyl's good too.
Is that a TV series or an
I
anime?
think it's on Netflix, I don't know.
Yeah. Rio told us to watch it.
Okay, I saw Hafu watching it or something. Have you ever been to Hong Kong?
You were there like,
2 weeks ago.
bruh.
Mob Psycho? Alright, you fucking weebs.
It's good. It's short too.
Is it action? It's like Tokyo Ghoul.
It's made by the same person that made One Punch Man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hate watching One Punch Man every week because the episodes are like minus commercials, like 21 minutes.
Yeah.
It's like watching, it's just like starting. I'm like,
It's over.
I finally finished my snack. Like while I'm watching it, it's over. I'm like,
Yeah.
fuck this show, dude.
But if you binge it all at once, oh my god, it's such a good experience.
Yeah. Oh shit! The bottom is just straight up ginger. I just like inhaled it.
You didn't mix it?
I didn't know that. I had a dream you sat on my face and I woke up with a boner. Am I gay now? No, you're not. That's normal.
That is definitely not normal. What the fuck?
Dude, I haven't been able to sleep for the past 2 days because of Classic WoW. Not a meme.
Just watching it, right?
It's like I watch it in all my free time. I've been watching it in the background,
Yeah.
and then like before I sleep, I like fall asleep to like S-Bend or someone playing,
Yeah.
and like I'll turn it off like while I'm passing out, and then like I'll dream.
Wait, do you watch it like with the computer in the background, or do you watch it on your phone?
Like on my phone, like right next on pillow, and I dream of that. Like yesterday, I dreamed that 3 times. I dreamed that it was on my launcher, like it's like, I had it, and like I would like kind of like wake up, like I like drifting off and be like, oh, I'll just like thinking in my head, I'll just play it when I wake up.
Yeah.
And like when I finally actually woke up and was conscious, I was like,
You're
oh
about
fuck,
to
those are
watch
all
it.
dreams, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck.
It's alright, you'll get it today. Or $100.
Yeah, I guess.
But yeah, if you... Because I do that a lot, but rather than like forcing yourself to...
Peppercorn in there. It's peppercorn.
Rather than forcing yourself to turn it off, you can set a timer, like a sleep timer, so it'll automatically turn it off.
On Twitch or on just your phone?
On iPhone.
Oh,
It
okay.
closes
That's what I
everything
should
they've got right.
That's what I should do.
Yeah.
That'd be really smart.
So you do it like this.
Is it one of these?
Yeah, so it's time which you got rid of.
Oh yeah, I might have got rid of it.
Yeah,
I
so
can just go
basically,
here. I have it.
search it.
What's it called? Time?
So,
Clock?
yeah, just timer.
Oh,
TI.
time. Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Wait, do you have an Apple Watch?
I did. Timer.
What the fuck?
Maybe did I delete it?
Wait, let me see. I don't know what the...
Is this what the app looks like? What's the
Because for me, it's just this thing. It's like a default Apple one.
Oh yeah, I have to enable it. It's in.
You disabled it? I don't know if you can do that. Just go alarm, actually. Because it's the same thing that you do alarm under. Alright, so bottom right,
Yeah,
timer.
timer, okay.
So when timer ends, you go to the bottom, very bottom, stop playing. So you can say set timer for 2 hours, and then as soon as 2 hours is up, it closes anything you're running.
Stop playing will actually close it and just like lock the phone.
Yeah. So like if you have Spotify or Twitch or YouTube or whatever, it just closes it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Now you know.
Very nice, chat. You guys learned something new today. I didn't know about that. It's one of those like, I don't know.
But yeah, I'm surprised you take that off.
I took it off because actually OCD. I didn't like that extra like bar, but I should.
Do you use calculator though? I don't use calculator.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Because it's just...
I mean now.